Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Yuhai Pabi. So unboxing po tayo ng WE made in Taiwan High Kappa 5.1 color silver na T-Rex. Ayan. So airsoft gas blowback pistol, is a toy only. Ayan, so may kasama siyang manual. At syempre kasama yung ating freebies na sticker. Ayan, pasubscribe na rin po yung ating Facebook and YouTube channel na Mr. Yohanep Hobby and .ph and Mr. Yohanep TV. Ayan, magazine capacity 30 rounds magazine, high kappa. And then ito yung ating unit na T-Rex na color silver. Ayan, so nakamagwell ng slip staple grip. Metal yung kanyang trigger. Metal yung kanyang slide catch, slide lock. And then yung front naka fiber optic, front and rear sight. Yan po yung mga markings and logos. So may serration both sides, may railings, pwedeng lagyan laser or flashlight. So naka ambidextrous safety. Yan, left and right. Okay, always trigger finger out. Yan. Yan po yung kanyang outer barrel. .45 ACP. Automatic Colt pistol. Yan po yung kanyang mga markings. So naka-engrave yan. So WE made in Taiwan. High Kappa T-Rex 5.1 color silver. Thank you.